Hey guys, welcome back to Wix It Fix the Garage. I got this old lawnmower. I don't even actually know. Okay, it's a Lowe's lawnmower, which is usually really good lawnmowers. It's a Briggs and Stratton 3.5 horsepower, and it hasn't cranked in years. And I'm guessing the carburetor diaphragm's probably shot, along with a plug, probably bad. I don't know if it's been sitting for a long time. I was going to attempt to put a new carburetor on it. I bought this kit, I think it was off eBay. They're not that much. I think it's $12 or $15. But anyway, I'm going to attempt to replace this one. I haven't done this in years. But like a lot of people, something quits running, we shove it aside and get something else. But my friend gave this thing to me, and I figured I'd try to fix it. But it did run good at one time, even though it's got a few wore out parts, but the motor was still good and it actually worked. But anyway, we'll get to it here in a minute. Alright, I'm going to start with just blowing that out a little bit. Normally I would cover this carburetor, but since we're replacing it, I'm not going to worry about it. You'll need a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter and a 3/8 or 10 millimeter. Let's see. I guess this thing's never been apart. Yeah, that old filter's just disintegrated. It's falling apart, but I got a new one. That's the least of the problems right now. One of these springs I'm going to have to take loose here. Well, they're a jumbled mess. Yeah, I don't know why they got 2 springs on there. Yeah, I'm trying not to break this thing. I know that just came off there. So that's nasty. And we'll have to clean this up. Find the brush. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean all this mess up. It's got a bunch of junk in it. I'm gonna have to go up. I don't know. I hope it come with one of them because that thing is split. Yeah, there wasn't much gas in it. I'm gonna go out there and pour this out and we'll continue. Yeah, if you want to clean these good, you can take some parts brake cleaner and clean them off. Yeah, it works really well. I'll let that dry a minute. That gas tank looks like it may have just a hair of rust in it, but it's not really bad. It's just a little bit. Not enough to worry about it. Just gonna make sure this is clean before I put it back on. I'll put the new one on. I don't want no trash getting in the new one. That pumper's plumb gone. Anyway, let's see what comes in this. So we know we got the new filter. Set this over here. Yeah, you want to be careful with this. It's got that little spring. You don't want to lose that. They come with a pumper in there, but it came with an extra one. Huh, that's good. Came with a new plug, which is good. And new gaskets. And new bolts. Well, that's pretty good actually. We can put all that together. Let's see. You have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws in the top. stubborn. There's always that one. Okay, there you go. Boy, look at that. Yeah, that's all kind of rust and debris. I can't believe that diaphragm thing up there still together, but it is. I probably could have cleaned this one and put it back on, but I didn't want to do that. Let's see, make sure everything matches up here. Yeah, everything looks good. Just need to put our gasket on there. Let's see. I'm sorry guys, I cut the crap out of my thumb and it's causing me problems.
Stuck in your pocket.
Let's see. This goes like this. Yep. And this one. Will go like that. Let me clean that off a little bit, make sure it's there we go. Let's see, I'll try to guide this in there. And this is the fun part, always is. Let me get a couple of these screws. It's usually better to put the screws in and line that gasket up with them. That way you can hold it in place so you don't jumble it up. I'm gonna need some more light. There we go. I got it lined up. I just took a couple of the bolts and pushed them through. That way it holds your gasket straight. Let's see. That goes in there like that. It's pretty simple. this round one's for your top here. Yeah, my thumb's causing me problems. And they actually stuck an extra one in there. That was good, I guess, in case you lost one. Yeah, it did come with another rubber vacuum elbow, so that's good. The other one was split. I was worried about that one. Just want to go around these and snug them up. A little at a time. There we go. Come here. That goes on that. I'll lay that up there for now. Get the springs out of the way. You want to get that thing started right there first. And make sure that O-ring stays on the back of that carb right there too, so it can seal it. Those dang, well, I'm gonna do a flat screwdriver. Thing just keeps trying to get in the way there. Yeah, that thing's meant to fit tight. Just have to give it a little help there. And of course, that's not going to line up. Well, I guess it would be easier just to... yeah, I got it lined up. It was a pain in the butt. This thing had got bent some time back. Didn't want to line up. I don't want to bore y'all with all that. But yeah, if it gives you any trouble, just unloosen those head bolts right there. You get a little movement out of it. You can line it right up. Don't forget to tighten these up. Don't want to blow your head gasket. We'll put this back on. It goes in there. I normally put these on first. Like I said, I haven't done this in years. So you can manipulate it there a little bit and work it in there. Straighten that back up a little. There we go. I still don't know why they got two springs on this, but just get back up. Yeah, that don't make no sense. Yeah, I forgot this thing's set on a certain speed. That's one thing I don't like about them. That's the reason for the dual springs now that I remember. Yeah, get that on there, it don't come off. Yep, let's see, we gotta change this too. It's make sure y'all can see this. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Good Lord, look at that. You definitely don't want all that in your new carburetor. Yeah, I'll blow this off just to be safe. That's pretty much it though. That's all you do. So the thing goes in here. See, yeah, well, it goes that way, my bad. There's actually a way, you've got a thin side and a thick side, apparently. I didn't even notice that. But you'll know the difference when you put it in there, because it'll go to one side, and that way it lines up. pretty much it right there. I'll have to go get some gas. I don't have no regular gas. I use an electric lawnmower actually most of the time, but I wanted to fix this one because it did run good at one time. Let's see, we need to change that plug. Sorry. Oh my, well, look at that. That thing is gas fouled. That's probably why it wouldn't crank. Yep, gap looks fine on there. You just want to snug those things. Push that till you hear it click. And they're pretty much done. Oh, gasket. But yeah, as soon as I get some gas, we'll try this thing out in a few minutes. Hey, what I didn't tell y'all about this a while ago, I know when y'all see this, you're going to be wondering, these come with a preset airflow. It does not come with an adjustment, so you don't have to even worry about that. That's what's really good about it. So when you put them on there, it'll run fine on its own. You don't have to adjust no air and oxygen and whatnot, but which most of these only come with one screw anyway. But this one comes preset. You don't even have to worry about that. So makes it a lot easier for do-it-yourselfers. You just put it on there, make sure everything's tight and clean. It'll work fine. Alright, let's see if this thing will crank. Seems to run good. But yeah, the only thing I found about that, I had a little bit hard time getting that prime to prime. It wasn't no 3 pushes like it said. I had to push it like 25, but other than that, I mean, y'all seen how good it runs, so I guess it's worth it. Thanks for watching.